Check out this exciting new way to learn English and improve your English skills. Stop the screen from filling with letters by forming words. When you create a word, you get to see the meaning of the word that you just created, and the letters of that word disappear. Score points. Check your leaderboard rating to see how you are doing compared to other players. Word Blizzard is an exciting new way to learn English, improve your English skills, and have a bit of fun while you're doing it. Don't let that screen fill with letters. Keep forming words.